Hello everyone and welcome to the table. So we have a brand new knife today. This one is coming to us from Dispatch Knives and they call this one pretty simple name. It's their 3.5-inch replaceable blade EDC. So as you can see from this knife, let's go ahead and open it up. We can see that this is designed to have a replaceable main blade on this knife. And so that means when you're out in the field, out and about, when your blade goes dull, you can simply swap the blade out, put a fresh one in, and carry on with your day, right? That's the intention. But the whole item, the whole knife here has a very tool-like feel to it, from the colors to the materials. And the functionality is actually quite nice because this is definitely a budget knife. So it's coming in, I want to say, around the $20 price point, plus or minus a dollar. But what we have right here is a liner lock folder. And straight out of the package, there is no play in the lock. It's very solid in hand, and the action is actually quite smooth. And so it's not running on bearings as far as I can tell, but it is a smooth action to open and close. We have these dual thumb studs, as you can see right there, and one quick flick slams that blade right out and in hand. The blade holder right here has a line of jimping right here along the spine, so you can really choke up and get a nice grip for a working tool. But that does lead us, of course, to this handle. And again, the color of the handle very much makes this look like a tool, a working man's implement. It's not exactly a tactical style thing, which is, of course, a positive for many of us using a knife out there. So it's this yellow handles, and the yellow parts of the handle here are rubberized. So they have a nice rubbery grip, especially right there where you can see the texture on the handle. Whereas the black parts of the handle are like a hardened plastic. So we have a plastic rubberized grip, which also leads to a kind of a very lightweight for the size of knife that we have here. Because again, they advertise this as a 3.5-inch blade, but let's go ahead and pull out the ruler and measure it ourselves. Because from tip to the edge of the blade right there, you might be able to see it's a little over 3.5 inches. So if 3.5 inches is a legality thing in your area, you just might want to be aware of that. So a little bit over 3.5 inches of actual cutting edge. An overall length of the knife, we can see it's a little over 8.25 inches long. So I would say this is a full size everyday carry knife. And what makes it everyday carry, right, is we do have a pretty nicely done pocket clip here on the side. So this is going to be right hand side, tip up carry. They took some care in putting this together, the loop over deep carry clip. It actually carries really nice and smooth in pants. So you only have a very little bit of the black part of the knife sticking out of your pocket when you're carrying this, which is actually pretty well thought out. And what's also nice too is our two little screws that hold it in. If you look, they are flush with the handle. So there are no obstructions in between the handle and the clip that other pocket knives do sometimes have. So again, this is going to go in and out of your pocket, carry very deeply, nice and easily. And so again, the clip is not reversible in any way, but the fact that we have a very budgety style folder coming in with a very well thought out pocket clip, that on its own is a very big positive, a big plus. So not only is this going to pass as an outdoors knife, but you could definitely everyday carry this wherever you go, and it's still going to be very easy to pocket, very lightweight, because like I was saying, the weight with that rubberized plastic handle is really not that bad. So we're coming in a little over 3 ounces, 3.29 ounces, which again, very respectable for the length of blade that we're getting here. Because of course we have the rubberized handles. The blade stock itself is very, very thin. Even regardless of that, we still do have full steel liners because again, it's a liner lock action, as you can see in there. So let's show the blades how the function works of removing it. It's very straightforward, right? There is a secondary button right here, right next to your thumb stud, and you just push that in. And what you're doing is lifting up that little lever right there, as you can see. And once that lever's out of the way, you just pull the blade right on out. So very easy to put in and take it out again. So what we do have here with this blade that's included, so of course it includes a nylon sheath. And sheath is kind of cheapy feeling, but it has the logo on there. It holds the knife, and it holds our blades right here, because the knife comes with 3 replaceable blades. So we can see those ready to go inside the protective case right here. And so again, it's meant to be carried in this case in the pouch, so that way you don't have any danger of cutting yourself, because again, these blades come really sharp. So let's go ahead and put the blade right back in the handle. But like I was saying, it comes with 3 of them. So that's going to be an interesting issue, which I'll talk about in just a second. So we slide it in just like that, and it's almost in there, but let's go ahead and see that notch is not quite lined up yet. So we need to give it a little bit more of a push, just like that. And now you can see that little notch is notched out right into the blade. So now we are secure. So now as you flick the blade, it's not going to fly out of the handle. So you do want to make sure to make a solid connection right there with that little notch, just like you see on screen. So again, very smart design, but we call this knife, this is not, mind you, a disposable blade knife. This is a replaceable blade knife because eventually it comes with 3 blades. You're going to have to sharpen these blades up because once these 3 blades are dull, you can't go to a hardware store and buy replacements like you would with a utility knife, right? So you will have to sharpen these blades eventually, but the idea is that 3 blades will be enough to get you through a day of work, right? And so the blade steel on these very thin drop point blades, look at how thin those are. Again, because they're like utility blades. The blade steel is a 3CR13, so it's a very inexpensive steel. It should sharpen up very easily, but of course with that ease of sharpenability, it also doesn't hold an edge all day. Hence, we have 3 of them, right? And so you do want to be very careful not to throw the blades out, because if you do some research, I was looking around, and that while there are similar knives out there that have blades like these, none of them appear to be compatible at a glance with this same keyed system that we have here on the Dispatch. And so even if you go to the Amazon page, it recommends additional blades you can purchase. But if you look closely, those blades are from a different brand and they would not fit this knife. So you kind of have to ignore Amazon on that part. So as far as I can tell, Dispatch themselves does not appear to offer extra blades just by themselves. So again, all we have to know is that it's not a disposable blade knife. It is a replaceable bladed knife. So just keep that in mind. And I think for the budget price that we're getting this knife at, I think that's, one limitation that we could learn to live with and accept, right? So as long as 3 blades are enough to get you through your day, then I think you're going to be perfectly fine, because the blade itself, again, very thin stock, so it's going to slice very well. Also has kind of like this Scandi grind, as you can see. So the cutting performance before it dulls should be quite nice. So great as a skinning knife. Again, an outdoorsy knife for more delicate tasks. So again, this is going to be something that I think a lot of people would take with them. And again, if you use it and lose it, you're not losing a lot of money, right? So it's a working blade, but still really high quality. So overall, first impressions of the Dispatch knife here, very nice. But really the big thing about Dispatch that I'm going to commend them for is obviously this is a Chinese company, right? They produce these in China, sell them on Amazon, but so many Amazon brands today have those gobbledygook English names that are just, clearly not made by an English speaker. But I'm glad that Dispatch, this is an actual English word. It means something. So it sounds like, hey, I have a knife from Dispatch Knives. That means something, as opposed to the word salad that a lot of our Chinese knives end up becoming on Amazon primarily. So congratulations to them. You chose a good name for your company. That's awesome. So I appreciate that. It's an English word that actually kind of fits into the knife world. So Dispatch Knives, their replaceable blade, everyday carry knife. Go ahead and check it out. Drop a comment. Is this something that you would actually carry and use? Is the disposable or the replaceable, is the replaceable blade idea a good one? Tell me your thoughts below. Drop a comment. Hope you all have a nice day out there, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.